Thank you. No, seriously, really good stuff with the accents. But I got something I want to share about the accents as well. Now, there's one accent I want to talk about that does two things. Number one is going to scare the shit out of you. And number two, if you're beautiful and romantic, it's all gone down the drain. Except for the Saudi accent. Saudi accent is cool. Any Saudis here? Sorry. It's okay, sit down. No, Saudis are cool, don't get me wrong, I love Saudis. Not all Saudis are crazy, except for the one who comes to Bahrain. Saudis only ask me two things when I'm on the road. Where is Saudi? And when has a McDonald's? But anyway, I love you guys. Sort of, not really. But going back to those accents, well, that one accent I was talking about is the Bahrani accent. قلت لك أنا خايف هذاك على المسرح. No, seriously, I mean, have you guys ever seen a fight between a Bahrani and somebody else? I mean, the other day I was driving and I just heard it and I got out of the car. I'm like, oh my God, fight. And this is how it went. The guy's like, yeah, ايش فيك انت؟ اطلق لي هراني هاللون. The next guy comes out of the car and goes, ويش؟ ايش في حبايب امك انت؟ جعفر شيل السلندر من السيارة خلينا نلعب حبايب امه. دايوس. And the other guy, all of a sudden his tone changed. لا اخوي ما صار الا الخير. انا الحين بروح السينما. بروح بكوارة بلحق بنات كلمني بعدين. انا ما عندي كريدت بطرش لك مسج على الفيسبوك ما ادري وين. You guys ever heard a romantic conversation in Bahrani? شحوالي شخلف كبدي. امباش انا الحين امباش. تعالي قاعدي جنبي له. خليني خلقها. There's my father's family disowning me. Any Al-Aradis here? Shit, they're going to tell my uncles. مالك عيدية يا حمار.